Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Let's go on with the same topic, question tags. This is the second video we are having. You didn't eat all the chocolate, did you? Now, didn't and did you, we have already done that. Didn't negative will have a positive question tag and you will continue with it. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, lovely. Some verbs form are having different question tags. For example, I am will have aren't I. I'm helpful, aren't I? There is will have isn't there. They are will have there are will have aren't there. That is or this is will have isn't it. So these are a little bit different, examples. Normally we do have very easily like this. Simple present will have isn't she or is she. Don't you or do you, simple present. Simple past, weren't you or were you. Past continuous, wasn't he or was he. Present perfect tense, you are going to have hasn't he or has he. Past perfect will have hadn't you or had you. Will have won't he or will he. And modal verbs will have can't he or can he. Okay, this is for us to do together. The sun is coming out, isn't it? I will go back to earth. I will go back to earth. The girl is thinking. Yes, I will go back to earth. Will is positive. So negative will be won't I. Okay. They haven't been to earth. Haven't is negative. Have they? Correct. It won't rain today. Won't is negative. Will it? Correct. Next are they don't remember what the sun is like. Don't. Do they? We will go out in the sun. Will we? Sorry, won't we? Negative will be there now. So these are all question tags. You can see that starting with don't you, will you, isn't, is it, were they, does she, all are hasn't she, aren't you, all these are question tags. Okay, again repeating, please just see this one. You are afraid, aren't you? And you aren't afraid. Give me that chair, will you? We can use it for ordering. Give me that chair, won't you? It's an informal request. Give me that chair, can you? It's a polite request. Okay, so actually this is the difference between if we are having the imperatives like this, give me that chair, then we can use it will or won't or can to go with our different way of usage. Question tags. You will have an English quiz next Sunday, won't you? Please, this exercise you have to do in your copy. Okay, this one, these 5. You will have an English quiz next Sunday, won't you? Rahma didn't come today, did she? Ibrahim has done well lately, hasn't he? Abdurrahman comes early, doesn't he? Yasin couldn't stop laughing, could he? Don't make noise, will you? Little money was collected, was it? This is exercise 2. this is also you're going to do. Your brother speaks Spanish. Doesn't he? George arrived late. Didn't he? The students work very hard. Do they? Don't they? Lucy has two brothers. Hasn't she? Alice has got one brother. Hasn't she? You had your hair cut, hadn't you? They had met you before, hadn't they? They had to go home, hadn't they? This is course book page number 136. The exercise is given here. Here are certain observations made by Kong Cecilia before and after she became literate. I couldn't help, so the question tag is could I. It was all so unfair, wasn't it? It wasn't my destiny, was it? The money lenders could have, so couldn't they? Money lenders are they. Okay. You conduct literacy classes, so conduct is first form. So you conduct literacy classes, don't you? Then afterwards, I should be very grateful, shouldn't I? I need not rely on, needn't rely on, so need I. Then I can hold my head high, can't I? My grandchildren will feel proud of me, won't they? Let us thank our teachers, shall we? These are some of the things that we have to follow or think when we are doing the exercises. Okay, page number 136, 137, the exercise is given. Let's go to the pizza corner, shall we? It's a good place, but it's rather expensive. It's rather expensive, isn't it? Not if you order a plain and simple pizza car. You aren't thinking of one of those exotic pizzas. You aren't. So are you? Okay, let's go. It's just the beginning of the month, so we needn't worry about the cost. We needn't. Need we? Oh, Wakar, you won't ever change. Won't. Negative, positive is will you. Okay. Ever conscious about conserving pocket money. Okay. This is how we are going to do it. Next workbook, page 66. Question number 1. Where shall we go? Let's go to the Mundarin. No, that place isn't good, but you like Chinese food. I do, but I would prefer to go somewhere else. What about food court? It's too far. Isn't it? Moreover, it's expensive too. We should choose a place which is close to our school. We should. So shouldn't we? You aren't thinking of pickles. You aren't. Are you? Yes, I am. Let's go there, shall we? What do you say? You have enough money? You have. Don't you? Sorry. You have enough money, haven't you? Yes, I do. And stop worrying, it's my treat, isn't it? Now, page number 66, question number 2. You look out of the window, the sky is grey. What do you say to your mother? It's a cloudy day, isn't it? You have just seen a film with your friend. You really enjoyed the film. What do you say to your friend? It was wonderful, wasn't it? You and your sister are listening to a woman singing. You like her voice very much. What do you say to your sister? She has a lovely voice, hasn't she? Your father and you are walking over a bridge. It is very old and some parts are broken. What do you say? This bridge is not very safe. Is it? You are at a friend's party. You like the food. What do you say? The food is delicious, isn't it? Please copy this in your copy.